When considering Ecomdash for your dropshipping business, there are 12 key things you need to know before making a decision. By the end of this video, you'll understand how it stacks up against its competitors and whether it's the right fit for your business. The first thing to know about Ecomdash is that it offers multi-channel management, which is great for businesses selling on various platforms. This allows you to streamline your orders from Amazon, eBay, Shopify, and more into one dashboard. While it's certainly an advantage, it's important to note that some competitors like TradeGecko and Skubana offer even more advanced features for high-volume sellers. Next thing to consider is its user interface. Ecomdash is known for being intuitive, but it's not as polished as some alternatives like Oberlo. It's easy enough to navigate for beginners, but it can feel a little cluttered and less sleek compared to more modern platforms. However, if you're looking for a simple, no-frills solution, it could work for you. The third thing to keep in mind is pricing. Ecomdash offers affordable plans, starting at $39 per month. While this is competitive, it's important to compare it with alternatives. For instance, Shopify's basic plan offers a similar pricing structure, but includes more in terms of marketing tools and integration with third-party apps. So, you'll want to consider what features you're getting at that price point. Next up is inventory management. Ecomdash is solid here with automatic stock updates and low stock alerts. But compared to competitors like NetSuite, its reporting and forecasting features are less robust. If you're running a larger operation, you might find this a bit limiting. The fifth thing to know is its integration options. Ecomdash offers integrations with several popular platforms, but it doesn't integrate with every niche tool. If you're using a specialized software for marketing or accounting, you may run into compatibility issues, something to think about when compared to alternatives like ShipBob, which offer a wider range of integrations. Next thing, if you plan on automating your dropshipping business, Ecomdash does offer some automation tools like order processing and shipment tracking. However, some competitors like Oberlo provide more detailed automation features, such as automated product listings and price adjustments, which might make your life a bit easier. The seventh thing to note is its customer support. While Ecomdash offers 24/7 support through email, phone, and chat, many users have reported slow response times. Compare this with Shipmonk, for example, which is praised for its quick, personalized support, and you may feel like there's room for improvement with Ecomdash in this area. The eighth thing is its product sourcing features. Ecomdash allows you to source products directly from suppliers, but it doesn't offer as extensive a marketplace as some of the competition, like AliDropship, which specializes in dropshipping products from AliExpress. This could be a limitation if you're looking to source from a wide variety of suppliers. The ninth thing to consider is shipping management. Ecomdash's shipping integration with USPS, UPS, and FedEx is standard, but it lacks some of the advanced features found in other platforms. If shipping efficiency and tracking accuracy are critical, you might want to explore ShipStation, which offers more comprehensive tools in this area. The 10th thing is product listings and customization. Ecomdash does a good job of allowing you to manage your product listings, but when compared to a tool like Sellbrite, the customization options are more limited. If you have a brand that requires specific customization for product pages, you may find this a bit restrictive. The 11th thing to consider is its scalability. While Ecomdash works well for small to medium-sized businesses, it might not be the best solution if you're looking to rapidly scale. Its features are a bit basic compared to platforms like Skubana, which are designed for larger operations with more advanced needs. Finally, it's worth mentioning that Ecomdash offers a free trial, so you can test the platform before fully committing. This is a great option for small businesses that want to dip their toes in without making a large investment upfront. In conclusion, Ecomdash is a solid choice for many dropshipping businesses. It offers multi-channel management, automation tools, and an intuitive interface at a competitive price. However, if you're looking for a platform with more advanced features, integrations, and customer support, you might want to explore alternatives. For a better solution, check out our recommended option, which you can try for free.